Oh, hi. Me? Oh, I'm just trying to make my nose look like Pinocchio because I saw it on a YouTube video. I'm drawing two lines down the sides like I'm a highway road down the middle of my face. And then I'm gonna take a little highlighter and put it on the tip. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. My question is, who decided that this is how we were gonna contour our noses? Like, look how long my nose is already. And I have a long face. Do I want to make the whole middle section of my face look even longer? Was there like a symposium that I missed that said that everybody has to have a long nose? There's got to be another way. It's too long. I'm going to show you how I like to contour my nose. So I just use either like a thin brush or like a semi-thin brush, and today I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown bronzer in the shade medium. And you can use a bronzer that is matte or a contour. Difference between contour and bronzer is usually bronzer tends to have a shimmer to it. This one doesn't, and contour doesn't have a shimmer. I think those are the main differences between contour and bronzer powder. I'm going to take the thin brush, and I don't want a lot on the brush, and I like to just go right in here. Right in these little divots. I am not trying to make my nose look longer. In fact, I got this trick from J-Lo. Like I saw it on J-Lo on American Idol. I could tell that they bronzed like a line across right here. So I'm going to do that to make it look more of like a button nose. And to kind of cut off the length of my nose. I'm doing it ever so slightly. And I might be doing it a little bit more pronounced on camera so you can see. So and then I take it up the sides a little bit, but I'm trying to cut it off because I have a naturally long nose, and once I do that, I take a little bit of powder. It can be translucent powder, any kind of powder that's like flesh colored or translucent, and I kind of dot that on the tip of the nose. I do a little bit right here, right there. I do it just a little bit on the nostrils to kind of make everything the same color, and then I blend it a little bit so I don't have a very visible line on my nose with the bronzer. And that's basically it. Can you tell a difference? I sure can. Yeah, try it out. It's good enough for J-Lo. If there's one thing people say when they look at me, it's, "Are you J-Lo's sister?" Let me know if this worked out for you, and please like and subscribe if you liked this video. And remember, no matter the shape of our nose, we were born perfect.